everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I needed to bring you a updated deals video for our must-do deals. So I have even more must-do deals part 3. If you want to see the other videos, go to my channel and watch them all. I'll try to link as many as I can at the end of this video, but there are so many things happening at Kroger this week. I have deals already out, and these are all brand new deals with one updated deal. So you're going to be super excited to watch this, but make sure you check out the other videos so you don't miss those deals that are happening between June 15th and the 21st. Now, I know tomorrow is the 21st. If you are watching this on the 21st or after the 21st, just know that this is a 2-week sale, so the 22nd just starts the second week. So a lot of these deals will still be good, so don't feel like you need to just turn off the video right now. But let's see what is happening at Kroger. We've got so many deals after the weekend that I did not get to last week because they're brand new. All right, before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos, and let me show you what is going on at Kroger. So I'm going to start out with some buy 5 or more, save $1 each mega sale deals. Remember, you have to buy a minimum of 5 participating items to get that mega sale price. Once you hit 5, it doesn't matter. You do not have to buy a multiples of 5. So you can do 6, 7, 8, 103. It doesn't matter. And you can pair these with coupons and rebate apps. And so that's where we get these amazing deals happening. So let me show you a couple of new matchups for you. First new matchup is the Head & Shoulders Supreme Shampoo and Conditioners. Now these are normally priced $9.99. Unfortunately, there's no sale price, so the mega sale price is $8.99. That's what you're going to pay out of pocket. However, Ibotta does have a rebate for $3.50 back on one. It's limited 3 times. So your final cost ends up being $5.49, which is almost 50% off of the original price. So that's a pretty good deal. I would like to pair this with some kind of coupon. So I'm not sure if we wait into the next week if we're going to get any type of coupons to go with this. If we do, it could be an even better sweet deal. Yeah, so I'm not sure. I'm probably not going to buy these, but I don't normally use this brand. But let me know if this is your brand. Next deal is the Playtex Clean Comfort tampons. Now these are regularly priced $8.59. They are on sale for $7.99, mega sale for $6.99, and we have a $2.50 off one either digital coupon, so make sure you load that, or there are also printable coupons. I will have them linked in the description box below. Do me a huge favor and make sure you print from my link. That helps me out a ton, helps me to keep doing these videos for you as an affiliate, but it doesn't change how you print. It's just going to take you straight to coupons.com, and you're going to print just like normal. But the final cost ends up being $4.49 each. You know, not a bad deal there when it's originally priced over $8. Okay, next we have some coffee deals. I have quite a few coffee deals for you this week. Chock full of nuts coffee is regularly priced $10.99. Again, no sale price. What's up with that? But mega sale price for $9.99. And we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so you can grab just one of these for $7.99. So if this is your brand of coffee, you know, what a great savings here. Next coffee we have here is the Kauai Coffee Ground Coffee 10-ounce bags. These are regularly priced $8.49, on sale for $6.79, mega sale for $5.79, and we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, making the final cost $3.79. That is a really, really great price coming from that $8.49 regular price. Now, Kauai also has a deal with the K-Cups 12 count that are regularly priced $8.99, on sale for $7.49, mega sale for $6.49. We have a different 2-off-1 digital coupon for these, making the final cost for these just $4.49. Next, we have a deal on some ice cream or kind of novelty type bars from Wicked Kitchen. So you can pick any of these, but we only have one digital coupon, so you can only really grab one of these. But they're regularly priced $5.99, on sale for $4.99, mega sale for $3.99, and we have that 2-off-1 digital coupon. So one of these is just $1.99. Now, which one are you going to pick? Are you going to pick a novelty, or are you going to go for the pint of ice cream? Let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, that is the end of the mega sale updated deals. If you want to see all of the deals I have, you definitely want to go check out my videos. I have one from last week, my must do deals video, of course, from Wednesday that's super long. Then I have another one on Thursday, another one on Friday of more deals. And this has been a kind of a crazy week. Sometimes I have to just update deals, but this week it's basically all new deals every single day. So you want to go check out all of those videos to see those mega sale deals. Now let's talk about some new Kroger deals. These are non-mega sale deals, but they're still really awesome. So this is the only deal that I'm actually updating because we got a brand new digital coupon. So Blue Diamond Extremes are regularly priced $4.49 on sale for $3.50. We got a brand new $1.50 off one digital coupon over the weekend. We also have a $1.25 off one printable coupon, or you can submit to coupons.com for a $1.25 back on one. But you can pay as low as $2 for one of these and then submit to Ibotta for a $1.50 back on one, limit of 5 times. Final cost is going to be just 50 cents for one. And of course, if you want to use the printables or submit to coupons.com, then it's going to be 75 cents for those. So either way, a really great deal. Again, if you're going to print that coupon, go to my description box below and print from that link. Thank you very much for helping me out there. But really, really awesome deal here. I am so excited. There's also the digital at Meijer. It's in my Meijer video, but it's like 63 cents after the digital and the Ibotta rebate. So I'm going to do Kroger first, and if it reloads, I'm going to go head over to Meijer and get more there for that price. All right, so this is just a new digital, not necessarily the best deal, but Burt's Bees cough syrup is regularly priced $9.99. We got a brand new 2-off-1 digital coupon, making the final cost just $7.99. Like I said, no sale price, so it's not like the best deal, but it is a new digital in case you are in need. Okay, so Arm & Hammer laundry detergent is regularly priced $5.49. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon as well as a 2-off-1 printable coupon, and the final cost is going to be $3.49 each, which seems like a really good deal. And I will tell you, even though the digital coupon does specifically say just the liquid laundry detergent, it is showing it's attaching to the detergent packs, as you can see in the picture there. So if you want the packs, you could definitely grab those. I will tell you, at Meijer this week, these are on sale for $2.99, and the 2-off-1 digital makes them just 99 cents each. So if you do have a Meijer regional to you, you may want to head over to Meijer and grab them for just 99 cents, which is obviously a much better deal than $3.49. Next deal we have is the Arm & Hammer Clump Litter. These are regularly priced $13.99. We do have a sale price of $10.99, and we have a couple different options. The 2-off-1 digital coupon as well as the 2-off-1 printable. Again, linked in the description box below. Use my link. Final cost is going to be just $8.99 each. All right, I have no idea if these are any good, but we got a new digital this morning, the Bear Fruit Rolls. These are regularly priced $3.99. We got a $1-off-1 digital coupon, making the final cost just $2.99 for one of these. I don't know. Are they any good? Let me know. I've actually never heard of them. I only looked them up because there was a digital coupon, and I went, oh, these things really exist. Let me know if you've tried these before and if they're good. Okay, so if you are wanting some cookie mix, maybe you want this. So the Miss Jones cookie mix is regularly priced $4.79. You have to grab 3 of them for this deal. It's buy 2, get 1, and your final cost ends up being $9.58 total, or basically just $3.19 each. Yeah, I don't know. Miss Jones, fairly new product maybe. I don't know. I've never heard of it before. Let me know in the comments what you think of this one. Okay, we have a deal on the Applegate corn dogs. These are regularly priced $8.49, on sale for $7.49. You're going to pay that out of pocket, and then you're going to submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one, limit of 5 times. Final cost is $6.99. Now, my store does not carry the Applegate just regular hot dogs, but there is $1 back on 2 from Ibotta, the rebate that's brand new. But since my store didn't carry it and I'm in a rush to get out of here, I didn't make a slide for it. But if you do have those hot dogs or you like those hot dogs, you could definitely use that Ibotta rebate. All right, so kind of excited about Hawaiian bread because I love any kind of Hawaiian bread. So the Nature's Own Hawaiian bread 20 ounce is regularly priced $3.99, on sale for $2.99. Pay that out of pocket, but you're going to get $1.25 back up to 5 times from Ibotta. So your final cost ends up being just $1.74 each, which is a pretty good deal. Next, we have the Hill Brothers Cappuccino Drink Mix. These are regularly priced $4.69. They're on sale for $3.99, and we have a brand new $1.50 off one digital coupon, making one of these just $2.49. Okay guys, that's all I have for you. This is just a quick little mini update with some new deals. Of course, tomorrow starts week 2 of our mega sale deals that are going on. I will have another must-do deals video out with those deals, so definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you later. Bye guys.